It's been 5 years and I still am really enjoying my Invisi 18-inch ring light. I love how it can get super tall. I'm 5'4" and it can tower well above me. And I also enjoy how you can dim this light or raise it to a more intense level very easily. This tripod and light combination also comes with a warm light filter, and I really like how easy it is to change back and forth between the filters. I've only used this ring light indoors and it works really well for me inside. I would suspect if you used it outside that you would need to be aware of any wind or any conditions like that and maybe weight down the base if you run into that issue. As I said, I have owned this for 5 years, and over time the base does get a little bit loose. To rectify that, all you need to do is take a pair of pliers or a wrench and apply them on the bolt on one side while countering and tightening on the other side. All in all, I totally recommend this ring light.